What is there? What is there? I heard they got wonton soup them style coming here today. All right. Y'all ready for this dialysis workout? Who are all these young whippersnappers out here?
Right there. I don't know. Right there. I see him.
Hey, if y'all ready to have some fun today, I need y'all to make some noise at the bell. All right. Now y'all ready for this dialysis workout? Now, hey, where is Mary Beth? Mary Beth!
I'm coming. Don't rush me, boy. The security gonna tell me I'm not on the list. I used to step for the LA Lakers.
Mary Beth. What you doing up here in that bathrobe, Mary Beth?
Doing my bubbly on in the back.
Oh, you gonna make us late. You know
Hey. What are y'all doing?
What you mean what we doing?
Hold on. This is the Step Jam. The young people. It's about we can't do no old school, old people, crippled. We don't do that, man. What you
Hey, look, it's Busta Rhymes and mindless behavior.
Yo, why you got a trail? Why you got a trail?
I understand.
Why y'all here?
This is our dialysis workout. We got the gym right now.
No. This is the step. Y'all confused. All right, we're gonna be up here stepping and dancing and getting down low like
Boy, you don't know nothing. Boy, you don't know. Boy, you don't know nothing about no dance.
Y'all don't. We can show y'all know something.
Well, what you gonna do?
Bust a move. Show. We're gonna show you a little bit.
Oh, he done called us.
A little bit.
He done called us out.
Yeah.
That's incredible. That's incredible. Listen here. What I'm gonna need you to do is put on something that we used to, so I can show these young whippersnappers how we used to do back in the day.
Don't break a leg, y'all. Don't break.
Oh, yeah. Stand on, neighbor. What I want you to do is, I'm gonna call out the dance, and you gonna do the dance. I said, I'm gonna call out the dance, and you gonna do the dance. I said, kill the roach. Kill the roach. I said, kill the roach. Kill the roach. Wash your butt, neighbor. Wash up, neighbor. Wash up, neighbor. Wash up, neighbor. I said, do the W. Hit the W. Do your W. Hit the W. Hit the W. Hit the W. Hit the W. Do the jerk. Hit the jerk on. Hold on. Hit the jerk on.
Hold on.
You ain't let us get to the best part.
What's the best part?
I said, whoop the kids. Whoop the kids.
Hey. You can't be whooping no kids. Get out of here. You fake Madea. Okay. Listen now. You know what? You know what? I got my special weapon. Okay, I'm gonna bring my special weapon. Yo, let me bring my special weapon over here, and we're gonna show you how we get down. DJ, hit it one time for us.
Hey yo, it's District 78.
Sure.
He done dropped. Give me them up here to dance.
You gonna try to get out of like that, man? Give me that roll, man. DJ, you gotta do this.
Gangnam Style.
Prep school. Leg up.
That's a sketch. Give it up one more time for you, Prep and Etch-a-Sketch Comedy Club.